Hi guys, my name is Jessica and I'm here to show you all things cake pops. On this channel, I'll give you a full breakdown on how I do things, lessons I've learned, do's and don'ts that I figured out the hard way, so I can hopefully help you with your next cake pop project. So for this first video, I'm going to show you the way I figured out how to decorate cake pucks to look like mini cakes. I'll put the recipe for this piping icing in the description below. The best part about this icing is it hardens completely. This little device is called a cake curved decorating tool. You can adjust the garland waves to whatever size you need them to be. I found it works great to poke little divots in the chocolate coating so I can use it as a guide. This tool was very helpful. So I just go back and forth to make sure I can see the little dots as my guide. Then I place it on my little cookie turntable. Another little gadget I love for piping icing is this Wilton Twist Quick decorating coupler. It makes changing the tips on a bag of icing very quick and easy. I'm going to start out with a small round tip. I'll start at the top little dot and follow my guide and loop to the next top hole and continue around the whole cake puck. It took me a little bit of time to figure out what setting to use on the guide to make it match so it would be even all the way around and I wouldn't be left with a big hole. So just play around with it until you find what works best for you. I'm doing a quick change of tips to a medium star and doing each star to match the high points of the garland. Now I'm going to go back with a small round tip to add some little decorative dots. It makes it look a little more detailed and pretty. But feel free to do whatever you feel like doing. That's the best part about this, is it's completely customizable. The little dots look like little pearls to me. I love it. Now I'm going to add little chocolate molded roses that I already dusted with luster dust, also to the high points of the garland. Just press into the frosting if it's still soft. Then I'll add a much bigger rose to the very middle of the top for some added decoration. You can also do another piped star in the middle and stick a candle in it if you wanted to. I've done that before and it's super cute. Now I'm decorating some cake pucks that fit in with the color theme and look nice with the mini cakes, so you can throw some variety in there. I just used the same icing to glue the roses onto the cake puck, but melted chocolate also works very well as an edible glue. Just make sure you don't use too much so it doesn't ooze out the sides. Now I'm just adding some little icing stars to tie it in with the mini cakes. And there you have it, a nice little variety of cake puck mini cakes and decorated cake pucks. Very simple once you get the hang of piping icing. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.